Hey YouTube, love, peace, and happiness here. Just showing a 3-week update on the topper that I made. I will include other links below that will show you the the inside of the cap, the construction that I made, and how far it comes down. I could feel it right here, all the way around. I will take it off. I'm actually headed to work now, but I'll show you in the link. You can see me taking it off, putting it on, and I'll include some other clips in there that show a little bit more detail with the construction of it. But as you can see, I'm going to try to see if I can, without making anything, all you can see, I'm hoping that you can see anyway. Put a little bit of hairspray on there, right? But my hair is definitely not this thick. You'll see it. You'll know as soon as you see it. Doesn't look too bad though. This is, I mean, I could still get right through this. I had washed it and blow dried it several times. I would say probably about 8 or 9 times already. And I know that's too frequent, but that's just what I did. And the hair is awesome. I would love to make these because it's at a fraction of the cost of what you would purchase a normal topper for. So I'll link my email below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hopefully these help you. And if there's anything that you want to see or something different, just let me know and include that in the comments below. Thanks so much. Don't forget, like and subscribe.